So now let's start working with Spark Video. In order to do that, I'm going to click on this plus icon right here. And you can see that you can go for video templates over here and start with the template. But in my case, I'm going to start from scratch. So I'm going to go to start from scratch. I'm going to choose video, and it'll make me my canvas to start working with video. Here it says every great story starts from somewhere. So I can start something. I can type in something right there. So I'm just going to type in tutor tube as my title, and I'm going to press next. And here it says that I can actually promote an idea, tell what happened, and so forth. But in my case, I'm just going to start from scratch. So I get a blank canvas right there. So it is preparing me the canvas so that I can start working with video. And you can see here that I'm greeted with this tutorial right here. So I'm just going to say, okay, I'm ready. And it brings me to this space right here. So by default, there's the first slide, there's the credits, and the outro right here, which is the Spark post right here. So what I can do is I can rearrange this. So let me just rearrange this out. So I can go over here. I can also play from here and so forth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some graphics right here. So over here, let's say I'm going to start with the text. So I'm going to click on text right here, and I'm going to say, welcome to TutorTube right here. And I can also press enter to range it out. Press enter, bring it to the center. I can increase or decrease the font size right here. So this is what I want right now. I can also add in another slide now. So I'm gonna go into the plus icon right here, and here I can add in a video, text, photo, or an icon. So I'm going to add in an icon right here, and let's say I'm going to add in an icon of a computer. Press enter, just like that. So I'm going to add in an icon right here. So let's say, for example, this one, which will be my second slide right here. I can also add in text here, just like that. I can work with an icon, or I can add in a text right here. So I'm going to go over here. I can add in a video, photo, in my case, just text. And I'm going to say, lessons at your convenience, just like this. Right, there you go. So this is my text that I have. I'm just going to add in a photo over here to go with. So it seems like I cannot add in the icon and the text at the same time. So I'm just going to search for computer, click on this, and the text will be added just like that, as you can see. So that's quite okay. I'm going to add in another slide over here. And let's say in this one, I'm going to add in an icon of a computer itself. So of a computer itself. I can also rearrange the slide according to how I want it to actually come up. So I can go over here, I can delete this, but I cannot delete the end credits right here. Okay, I can also hide the credits, but I cannot delete this out. And here, the Adobe Spark remains as it is unless you pay for Spark Premium. Right here, you upgrade your Spark account. So over here, you can see that there's the welcome to TutorTube. There's the icon right here. There's the learn at your convenience. You can also add in a video over here. So I'm going to add in something else. So I can also add in a video right here, and I can choose the video of my choice. So in my case, I'm not going to work with video right here. So I'm just going to delete the slide. Yes, delete the slide right here. And if I want to preview, I can go to any of the slide and start previewing from there. Or if I want to preview the overall slide, I can actually go over here and select the first slide right here and press the play button. So you can see that it is quite easy. The animations are playing quite well, and everything is there. So you have the video, you have the animations, everything is done quite easily and with ease. So that is how you can start working with Spark Video. So that is how you can work with Spark Video. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.